Nitrogen metabolism. The nitrogen metabolism. First, we discussed about the introduction of nitrogen gas. Dinitrogen forms about 78% of Earth atmosphere, making it the most abundant uncombined element. Nitrogen occurs in all organisms, primarily in amino acids, proteins, chlorophyll, in the nucleic acid. They are DNA and RNA and other biomolecules. The human body also contains about 3% of nitrogen by mass. Here it is. Nitrogen gas is colorless. Two nitrogen atoms are bind with triple bond. Two nitrogen atoms are bind with triple bonds. This type of nitrogen is called molecular nitrogen. In environment, more than 78% of molecular nitrogen gas is present. The molecular nitrogen cannot utilized by higher plants. The molecular nitrogen convert into nitrate ions, nitrite ions, ammonium ions, ammonia. This process is called nitrogen fixation or nitrogen metabolism. Nitrogen metabolism is not only one of the basic process of the plant physiology, but also one of the important parts of global chemical cycle. Plant nitrogen assimilation directly takes part in the synthesis and conversion of amino acids through the reduction of nitrate. Now we discussed about the types of nitrogen fixations. Nitrogen fixations are mainly two types. They are non-biological nitrogen fixations. Second one is biological nitrogen fixation. Non-biological nitrogen fixation means in the nitrogen fixation there is no living organisms. There is no living organisms in the non-biological nitrogen fixation. Means living organisms are cannot helped in the nitrogen fixation, called non-biological nitrogen fixation. The second one is biological nitrogen fixation. Living organisms are helps in the nitrogen fixation, called biological nitrogen fixation. The non-biological nitrogen fixations again divided into two types: industrial non-biological nitrogen fixation, lightning non-biological nitrogen fixation. Industrial non-biological nitrogen fixation is also called chemical non-biological nitrogen fixation. Lightning non-biological fixation is also called physical nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation also mainly two types. They are non-symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation, symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. Some living organisms are helps in the biological fixation without symbiosis, called non-symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. Symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation means symbiosis, microorganisms and host plant cells are in the symbiotic position. They are helps in the nitrogen fixation, called biological symbiotic nitrogen fixation. They are two types: legume plants, non-legume plant symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. Now here it is the industrial nitrogen fixation. First we discussed about non-biological nitrogen fixation. In the first part is chemical nitrogen fixation or industrial nitrogen fixation. Reduction of nitrogen into ammonia by the chemical process is called chemical nitrogen fixation or industrial nitrogen fixation. Industrial nitrogen fixation. reduction of nitrogen into ammonia by the chemical process is called chemical nitrogen fixation or industrial non-biological nitrogen fixation. In the use of Haber's process, the Haber's process in use of high temperature up to 200 atmosphere of pressure and high temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius temperature. Haber's process in use of high pressure up to 200 atmosphere and high temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius temperature. The molecular nitrogen or dinitrogen combines with hydrogen atoms to form ammonia, two ammonia molecules in presence of high pressure up to 200 degree Celsius temperature and 200 atmosphere of pressure. The method is used in agriculture and industrial nitrogen fixation. Next one is non-biological nitrogen fixation. The second type is physical non-biological nitrogen fixation. It is also called lightning non-biological nitrogen fixation. The molecular nitrogen combines with oxygen in presence of lightning and thunder to form nitric oxide. The nitric oxide again combines with more oxygen to form nitrogen peroxide or nitrogen dioxide. This process is called oxidation. The nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen peroxide combines with rainwater to form nitric oxide or nitrous oxide. These nitrous oxide, nitrous acids are reached to earth as acid rains. That acid rains are containing nitrogen, dissolved nitrogen. Now let's be discussed about the process of physical nitrogen fixation. The physical nitrogen fixation occurs by the natural factors such as lightning and thunder. It occurs in several steps and starts with the combination atmospheric nitrogen with oxygen under the influence of electric discharge and thunder to produce nitric oxide. Here it is the molecular nitrogen combines with oxygen in presence of heavy lightning and thunder to form nitric oxide. That nitric oxide then oxidized into nitrogen peroxide in presence of oxygen, in presence of more oxygen. Nitric oxide combines with more oxygen to form nitrogen peroxide or nitrogen dioxide in presence of oxidation, in presence of oxidation reactions. During the rains, the nitrogen peroxide or nitrogen dioxide combines with rainwater to form nitrous acid or nitric acid, which come to ground along with the rains. The nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen peroxide combine with rainwaters to form nitrous acid or nitric acid. These are containing dissolved nitrogen. The dissolved nitrogen reach to the soil. This type of nitrogen fixation is called physical nitrogen fixation. The next one is biological nitrogen fixation. Types of biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation means the living organisms are mainly helps in fixing of nitrogen, called biological nitrogen fixation. The biological nitrogen fixers are classified based on the fixing microorganism. Per year, 60% part of total nitrogen fixing by biological nitrogen fixing on the earth. The biological nitrogen fixation mainly two types. They are symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. Second one is non-symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. Here it is biological nitrogen fixation. Mainly two types. One is asymbiotic nitrogen fixation. Example, cyanobacteria, diazotropes. These are unicellular organisms. The unicellular organisms are mainly helps in the symbiosis mainly helps in the fixing of nitrogen without symbiosis. Without symbiosis, these microorganisms like cyanobacteria, diazotrophs are helps in the fixation of nitrogen. So this type of nitrogen fixation is called asymbiotic nitrogen fixation, or also called non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation also blue-green algae, few bacteria are helps in the non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Example: Nostoc, Anabina, Oscillatoria, Rhodospirillum bacteria. Nostoc, Anabina, Oscillatoria are called blue-green algae, are also called cyanobacteria. These are contains heterocyst. That heterocysts are mainly helps in fixing of nitrogen. So this type of nitrogen fixation is called asymbiotic nitrogen fixation, or also called non-symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. And the second one is symbiotic biological nitrogen fixation. The second biological nitrogen fixation here, mainly biological nitrogen fixation, energy intensive process. Nitrogen utilized 8 protons and 8 electrons and 16 ATP molecules to form ammonia. The ammonia is synthesized by the non-symbiotic living organisms. It performed only by selected bacteria and actinomycetes, performed in the nitrogen fixation crops like in soya beans. This type of nitrogen fixation is called non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. And the next one is biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation. Some microorganisms are present internal structure of roots. These are helps in the symbiotic nitrogen fixation, mainly Leguminosae family. Rhizobium bacteria are present inside the root nodules. The rhizobium bacteria helps in the nitrogen fixation. The nitrogen gas convert into nitrate ions. The nitrate ions utilized by plants. At the same time, bacteria collect food material from the root cells. So this type of living position is called symbiosis living position. Now we discussed about the mechanism of biological nitrogen fixation. Mechanism of biological nitrogen fixation. Symbiosis between soil bacterium. Symbiosis between soil bacterium like rhizobium and leguminosae plants leads to development of root nodules. Leads to development of root nodules. The development of root nodules having following steps. The symbiotic bacterium. See here, it is the small size of bacterium. Small particles are called bacterium. The symbiotic bacterium, when comes to contact with the root host cells, host in the soil, the root system is activated by the hormones and carbon compounds of the soil. Carbon compounds of the soil. Attracted bacterium. Attracted rhizobium bacteria moves towards root. Moves towards root. That bacteria multiplying and increase in the number, and they are means the bacteria are injected into root hair. During the injection, the root let terminal part turn into hook-like structure. Turn into hook-like structure. The host plant recognized bacteria by specific plant protein called lactic acids, are also called lactin. Lactins are released by the host plant cell roots. The rhizobium bacteria released enzymes. By this enzyme, the host cell wall is digested or degraded. Now the bacteria reach to plasma membrane, plasma layer or plasma membrane, produced large tubular thread-like structure. Here it is large tubular thread-like structure. These large tubular thread-like structure is called infection thread. Infection thread containing more number of bacteria. The infection thread elongated into the cortex. The cortical cells are released phytohormones like cytokinin, IAA, indole acetic acid. These enzymes, these hormones, mainly cytokinins and indole acetic acids, are mainly helps in division of cortical cells. By these hormones, the cortical cells are rapidly participated in the divisions, to develop into young nodules. The bacterium, the rhizobacterium containing rod-shaped structure with rhizobium, the rhizobium bacteria containing rod-shaped structure with functional nitrogenase enzyme, while the rhizobium bacteria occupied the host cells in the cortex perivascular region. The cortical cells are filled with bacteria. That bacteria are containing nitrogenase active enzyme. That nitrogenase active enzyme mainly helps in fixing of nitrogen. These bacteria, more number of bacteria are occupied the cortical cells. These cells are enlarged in the size, and these bacteria also enlarged in the size. These cells are called vesicles containing rhizobiums, and these cells are surrounded by coats, special types of layers. Inside these layers, each cell containing large size of bacteria, rhizobium bacteria. The large size of rhizobium bacteria are called bacteroids. The bacteroids are containing active nitrogenase enzyme. Outside of the root nodules in soil, same rhizobium bacteria are present. The rhizobium bacteria are small in size. They are contain inactive nitrogenase enzyme. But inside the root nodules, that same rhizobium bacteria are large in size. The large in size bacteria are called bacteroids. They are contain active nitrogenase enzymes. The bacteroid cells are covered by particular cortex cells. The protect cells, they are called protect cells. The protect cells protect to the bacteroids. The bacteroids are called infected cells of nodules. The bacterioid cells are called infected cells of nodule. These are contains leg hemoglobin, red color pigment. Leg hemoglobin, red color pigment. The leg hemoglobin, red color pigment, mainly helps in oxidation transport. That oxidation transport, it is similar to the human hemoglobin structure. In human body, hemoglobin mainly helps in transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas. In the same way, the root nodules containing bacteroid cells, the bacteroid cells also contains leg hemoglobin. Leg hemoglobin mainly helps in oxygen transport. That oxygen transport mainly helpful to the rhizobium bacteria. The leg hemoglobin containing majorly two parts. One is leg, second one is globulin. Leg hemoglobin. hemoglobin. These two major parts are synthesized by the host cells. Two major parts are synthesized by the host cells. The nitrogenase enzyme mainly helps in molecular nitrogen convert into nitrate ions. The nitrate ions are present in the root nodules. At the same time, the bacteroids are bacteria, rhizobium bacteria need food material, that food material collected from the host cells. This type of nitrogen fixation is called biological nitrogen fixation.